if I get to stay alive, I would have served government for 40 years. Kaya ayaw ko na I would have retired as mayor. Kasi what time, but then I don't know what happened, but I think that presidency is something, it is a gift from God. Wala akong congressman, wala akong governor. In Manila, I never had any one barangay captain to campaign for me. And yet, itong si Romulo, by the way, is the father of Bernadette. People might start to ask questions. He was one of those who were there with Sunny, urging me to run. And I said I could not because wala akong pera. And maybe the physical toil, hindi ko na kaya in a campaign all throughout the Philippines. But water under the bridge, really. But, you know, if you'd notice, karamihan kong nawala sa akin. Really, the very first person who, kay ganon ang bayan, kay ganon, corruption, there was crime and everything. I said, but I'm very sad that they are the very first to go. Early on, a cabinet member. But just the same, tayo ba sa gobyerno? There's no way of telling. Yung maglapit sa iyo na ganun. And you thought you might ever fall into the trap of believing na you are with the crowd for change. You are in for a government as big as this, at a unitary type. Yan ang mahirap na mabigat because all power seems to be emanating from this building. So lahat you get to decide, even the simple trips of people who want to go abroad. But those, nung nandyan, there's another one coming up. I think that, you know, if you go to other places to attend important meetings that may affect the country, I would appreciate it. If it really comes from the heart, to do work, task. Pero kung climate change dito sa Brussels, then climate change sa Tokyo, climate change dito sa Indonesia, climate change sa Africa, nandoon ka. Tapos ang tanginang yan, ang bagyo, pinupuit dito yung isa, palabas yung isa, there's blood and everything. You've spent millions for that, and I do not see any improvement. Unless the hypocrites, the big powers really, adapt it heartily, then we could have a climate change. But at the rate that the world is charging industrial machines and everything, sila yung nauna. That's why itong climate change could be a farce if we cannot compel the other nations, especially the industrialized nations, to follow. Nandiyan na sila, nandito pa tayo. They do not want you to catch up. Pag dito yan. So the incremental increases, the carbon footprints. They want to minimize it. Good. But you guys were industrialized, which started in the 1800s, and it continued until now. Tayo na, we are on a threshold of a economic, maybe more active. We cannot hardly catch up. And so much limitations for this. What I'm complaining about is really yung global governance. That even Europe, America started to with us. At sila naman, The hypocrisy of it all is that they do not. What is good for them is good for them. What is not good for them, it's bad for you. Ganon ang subservience ng... We remain to be the vassals of economic enterprise all over the world. So, food for thought lang. Parang paano yung ganong kahirap kami dito. Ako, thinking of how to... Well, I thought for a while that when I was in high school that we could print as many as long as the machines would work. We can have all the printed money we want. Ayun ang tingin ko. So it would be a problem. Drugs. Kita naman yung amo. Now you have a glimpse of the dark world of drugs. Amo dope, you go to the internet, go to the documentaries, that's the amos locally produced. That's what I've been telling you all along. Na sila-sila yan. Alam mo kasi, pag ang pulis hindi na kailangan mag-identify. Magpatrol na yan dyan, yung undercover, magdampot lang ng isa yan. Pag dinala mo yan doon sa taas ng building, sabihin mo ano, sabi ka na todo, ihulog kita. So we start to rattle off names. Eventually, ganun yung patayan sa mga bata dyan. But, you know, human beings, you know, sometimes it could be a stupid proposition, pero maybe politics and all. Yung iba naman, true to life. So yan ang problema na hinaharap ko. The drug scene is there and it will not go away for the next 10 years. Pero and the idiots, remember that cocaine is for the unfairly categorized, though, A, B, C, D, E. Shabu is lower D, E. It's a commodity for the poor. Ano sabi, bakit si Duterte pinapatay niya itong putang ina mga mahirap? You know, it's only peddled in poor urban areas, blighted area. Yung mga taga rito sa Makati, sa gobyerno, it's now cocaine. And we see a very active role being played by the cartel. And if itong cartel ng South America, which is really a vicious one, and itong Bang Triad, America seems to be cannot. Go to documentary, yung dope. Makita mo, it's Baltimore in USA, openly. Titingin lang ang police because they're after for the big ones. So, yung mga street level users, wala, inhayaan na nila yan. So, parang tiyanggi, ganun. Putang ina, pag ginawa mo sa akin yan dito, patayin ko. Walang makalabas dyan sa... That's how vicious the thing is. So, just keep on pumping money, even if there is no value at all. Alam mo yung si Lagarde, nakita ko yan, just pull into a corner, halikan mo lang, patang ina, mag-iba ang isip niyan. She's quite old, but she's good. Met her several times. I'm tempted to ask her, what's the standard of your classification of how rich and poor we are, or the enterprises of the world? So we have a long way to go. I happen to be just 3 more years with the help of Sunny and you in particular.
It's 4 years.
4 years pa ba? Wala, gusto ko ng, you know, if I have to go back in time, and I was watching Cosmos, that you can really go back in time. It's possible to do that. But it's going to be a warp something Pagbalik din ako, ayaw ko na. Hindi dahil sa Central Bank. Wala naman akong problema sa inyo. And I was also one ang baka mabalitaan ninyo. It was about 3 million na pinabago ko because, by the way, campaign funds contribution yan. It came too late. Alam mo, ang financiers, magbigay lang yan kung sigurado sinong manalo. But if you give me money, 1 day, 2 days before, you can ask any politician, it's of no use to us. Even if you buy votes, you have to set up the buying station. So, niwan ko, pag hindi ko naman, pagdating ko, paso na pala. Sabi ko kay sana, i-extend mo that, so that there was an extend. Ano mo na sa mo? This is money that I got, it belongs to me. Binigay na eh. So sabi ko, hindi ko na magasto. You give us money, politicians, last minute, it will not help. It cannot help. So that is the history why I'm telling you. That ako yung, saan, maano to, it's 2 million, is 2 million. Pero, may pinaano ko. So lahat-lahat, parang I only got about 1/4. Yung iba paso na talaga. So, the thing is, may nagbigay yan na kinuripot ba, tinago. Usually yung matatanda. Saving it for the last... well, I've taken much of your time. Thank you for visiting me. And, what you give today is not mine. It goes to the museum. Everything that I receive as president goes to the museum. So, pero salamat rin. Pwede namang nakawin kung gusto mo. What, I'm not just up to it. Pagdakaw ng pera. Magnakaw siguro ng ibang asawa, okay lang. Just a joke. Thank you very much. And,